Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we have discussed about how you can create a dataset using a Claude, and we have created a dataset for the sales analytics, and here we have created one fact table which is the sales table and four dimension table customers, products, stores and payments method. Right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the same kind of dataset using Google Gemini and the ChatGPT. So the first thing is, let's see what other data sets we can create. So the next one I'm going to create is the social media analytics data set using the ChatGPT. So this type of data sets is perfect if you want to create a dashboard related to the Instagram analytics, YouTube analytics, engagement tracking, content performance, or marketing campaign analysis. So social media is currently in the boom right now, and social media analytics is also growing, so this will be also helpful if you create a particular dashboard related to this particular area which is a social media. So for that I'm going to use the same pattern, same format for my prompt, and here also I'm creating a 20,000 records. So for that I'm creating a four dimension table again, the details of the creators, then platform detail like Instagram, YouTube, or any other platforms available like TikTok, then content categories like category ID, category name, audience type, then audience related detail also you will get here in the dimension table. And we have one fact table which is the content performance, and I have provided the column names for that as well. In the requirement I have provided some requirements to make the data look more realistic. So I told to generate a realistic social media data similar like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn and Facebook analytics. And I told to use a real word creator names, countries, cities, platform and content categories. The data might not be the same as how their analytics is performing in the real world, but you will get the similar idea and it will be helpful for you to create a dashboard. So it include realistic influencer niches such as fashion, tech, finance, fitness, etc. So I have provided these requirements here as well. Again, as we discussed in the last lecture, I told here to create the messy data again. So we will perform the data cleaning operation at the time of creating the dashboards. So if you want a perfect data that's not happened in the real world, so it will be better if you add such messy data, so you can show your the skills in the data cleaning as well when you are creating the end-to-end Power BI dashboard or the portfolio you are trying to create. Then I also mentioned to ensure this data set are suitable for Power BI dashboard, SQL joins, tax calculation, data cleaning practice, and ETL transformation. So the prompt is exactly same like what I use for the sales analytics, but the things I've changed is the this column names and whatever the dimension table and the facts table I'm creating. If you see, other things are mostly the same. So let's copy this one, and I'm going to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT also I'm using the free version only. So I have just copy pasted my prompt here and just click on the send prompt. So now it will start processing and analyzing, and it will provide us the CSV file. So instead of downloading a random data set from the internet, I can simply tell ChatGPT exactly what type of data I want. So for Claude, it took me around 4 to 5 minutes to process this prompt and give me the particular data set. Let's see how much time the ChatGPT is taking. I'm not put any timer, just roughly I'm telling you the time. Like Claude took almost 4 to 5 minutes. Let's see about the ChatGPT. Okay, so I got the response, and ChatGPT showed me here your large scale social media analytics data says has been granted successfully with 25,000 plus fact table records. So I have mentioned just minimum at least create a 20,000. So ChatGPT have created 25,000 records, separate dimension table, then realistic influencer or platform analytics, seasonal trends and viral post behavior, 30% messy data for cleaning practice, CSV exports for Power BI, SQL, DAX, ETL, and data transformation exercises. So whatever we have mentioned in the prompt, everything ChatGPT has proceeded and created some data set. Let's see how exactly it looks. So they are provided in the zip file. And I feel the ChatGPT processing time was faster than the Claude, but I'm not sure. I have not put the timer, but whatever I feel, ChatGPT give me response faster than the Claude. So now I have extracted all the zip files, and you can see the ChatGPT have created this particular CSV files. So we have this content performance as the fact table, and other are the dimension table like audience, content categories, creators, and platform. So let's open one by one and let's see what exactly the data is available. So the first one is the audience dimension table. So we have audience ID, age group, then gender, country, and the device type. So whatever the columns we have mentioned in the prompt, if you see here, audience, we mention audience ID, age group, gender, country, and the device type. The same data we got here in the CSV as well. Then the next one is the content category. We have category ID, category name, and the audience type. Then this is the fact table, which is the content performance. Here we have post ID, creator ID, platform ID, category ID, audience ID. Then we have the post date, post type, views, likes, comment, share, all those count, save count, watch time, reach, impression, engagement, followers, and the revenue generated. Then the next one is the creator CSV, where we having the creator ID, creator name, gender, country, city, then this platform related details, followers, and the account created date. And the last one is the platform data set, where we are having the platform ID, platform details, then content type, monetization, if it is monetized or not, then headquarters, country, all those details are available. So we have created this 25,000 records and this realistic data set using ChatGPT, that also free and within just 3 or 4 minutes. So using this particular social media analytics data set, you can create like ad influencer campaigns, simulate viral posts, include low performing content. Those kind of topic you can address using this particular data set. And this makes your Power BI project look much more realistic and professional. So let's move to the next point. We are going to see how we can create a data set using Google Gemini. So for that one, I'm using the third prompt, which is for the HR analytics data set prompt. And it is the similar prompt as I mentioned earlier as well. Just this column name I have changed, and whatever the dimension table and fact table are as per the topic related to the HR analytics. So we have this data set as per that, but other things like we want the 20,000 employees, then the requirement whatever I have mentioned, I want to create a realistic data set, then whatever the KPIs we want to include, then creating the Macy data, all those things I have mentioned exactly the same. Just this column name and this table name are the different in this particular prompt. So you can use this same prompt and create whatever the data set you want to create. So let's copy paste this one. Just copy this from this particular document. So you will get this document link in the summary or in the description. So here in the Google Gemini, just paste this one. I have pasted this particular prompt and click on send. I think Gemini is the one of the fastest. So if I want to rank it, Google Gemini was the fastest one. Then the ChatGPT, and the last one was the Claude. So I got the response within 1 minute. So let's see what exactly the output we got. So here it is mentioned your larger scale HR analytics data set is ready. And this collection includes over 23,000 record. As we have mentioned, we want a minimum 20,000 records across dimension and the fact table specifically designed to simulate a multinational corporate environment for Power BI and SQL practice. Because nowadays, understand, company expect you to create a project and portfolio that look realistic. So it's very important to create your own data set. So it will be a distinguished with whatever the data sets are available right now. So most of the people are just copying or taking the data set from the project which are available on the YouTube and copying the exact same format. But if you create your own data set, you can use your own imagination, your own KPIs, whatever you want to create. So it's important so that your dashboard or portfolio is a different than the other person who are also trying to give the interview for the same positions. So this dataset overview also given here. So the dataset contain a deliberate 30% noise ratio, the Macy data, to provide it realistic data cleaning challenge. So what kind of Macy data is available? There is a dirty joins, then inconsistent text, date format, and duplicate null. So the fact table contain a department ID values, for example, 999 that do not exist in the dimension table. Then inconsistent text like department name and employee name have mixed casing, and leading or trailing spaces. Then we have a date format. The joining date column uses a mix of YYMMDD and DDMMYY format. So formats are different. Then we have a duplicate and nulls, which include a duplicate employee IDs and missing salary or satisfaction value for Power BI DAX handling. So this files included the four dimension table, which is the employee CSV, department CSV, job role CSV, and the location CSV. Okay, and the fact table is the employee performance CSV. So let's quickly download this CSV file and let's see what exactly the data it is showing. So here in the preview, you can see the CSV file for the employee, which is having employee ID, employee name, gender, age, then marital status, educational level, city, country, and joining date. So if you compare this with our prompt, whatever we have given, this is the employee table. You will see the same column name we have provided here as well. Then let's check the next one, which is the department table, which is having department ID, department name, business unit, and department head. Then the we have the job roles. So in the job role, we have job role ID, job title, job label, employment type, and salary band. So I can see the three dimension table here. Where is the location one? I cannot find out it here in the location. I will check again. I will ask again Google Gemini because I cannot see the location CSV here. If you see, there are just this three CSV is has been created. So this is the fact table. Let's see what exactly the data is available here. As you know, there are 23,000 record for this particular HR analytics data set, and you can see there is a lot of records in the preview also you can see here. Then we have the record ID column, employee ID, department ID, job role ID, location ID, review date, monthly salary, bonus amount, overtime hour, training hours, performance rating, promotion status. Then we have attrition status, work mode, leave days, and employee satisfaction. So whatever the column we have mentioned in the prompt, all the columns you can see here as well. Right now, just the missing table I can see is the location, this dimension table dim location.csv. So I will ask Gemini. Okay, so I don't know what exactly is this. So I generally don't use Google Gemini that much. I preferably use a ChatGPT and Claude, but Gemini give me this file tag and I don't know how to download this. If someone knows, please put down in the comment section and help other people as well. But I don't know how to download using this file tag. So I saw just three dimension tables have been created. So particularly we told in the prompt we want to create a four dimension table: employee, department, job role, location. But here you can see just three dimension tables are created in the CSV format, and the one is the fact table, which is the employee performance. So I asked Gemini again and again, give me this dim location table, and it give me some random answers. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. Then I asked, give me this missing file. Then finally, I got this location.csv. So this is the location.csv file I got. If you want this particular data set, also let me know in the comment section. I will attach the data set as well, the particular link for this data set. But currently, I'm not attaching this data set link. It will be huge. And you can use this same prompt and create your own data set and understand why this is important to create a realistic dashboard and to stand out in the crowd. It's so important to have a strong data set so you can create a powerful dashboard using that particular data set. So it's very important nowadays to create a realistic data set, and this helps you to your portfolio to stand out. And instead of using the same old data set that everyone downloads from Kaggle, I'm not saying it's bad. You can still download from the Kaggle and use the data set. There are some amazing data sets available there as well, but you can create your own custom data set using the AI. And you can create a industry specific project, then unique dashboard, realistic business scenarios, and large data set with thousands of records. So I have created 20,000 plus record. You can create maybe 5 lakh record. So you can create as many record as you want. And honestly, this one of the smartest ways to use AI in the data analytics. So in today's video, we learn how you can create a realistic data set using a Claude. So we have created e-commerce sales analytics. In the ChatGPT, we have created this social media analytics, and in the Google Gemini, we have created this HR analytics data set. And the best part is this: all this data set can be directly be used inside the Power BI. You just need to perform some data cleaning operation to create your portfolio project and the dashboard creation. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning Power BI or data analytics. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video till the end and have a nice day.